Alright, here's an extra feature that we have issues with. Our motor selector switch, I guess they are using it or turning it while the engine is running, and catastrophic failure has happened. So we are trying to implement linear actuator control, of course, by a control panel to detect whenever there's RPMs or the engine's on run mode. It will lock and unlock for us to change the switch. In this case, let's do it at 480. Okay, let's start up the unit.